Welcome to The Earth Strikes Back, what nature is telling us about our behavior. In this video, we will explore the powerful messages conveyed through natural phenomena and how they reflect the consequences of human actions. From the whispers of the wild to the deafening roars of raging storms, we'll uncover the signs that nature is desperately trying to share with us. As we navigate through the alarming realities of wildfires, melting glaciers, and vanishing biodiversity, we'll confront the hidden threats facing our oceans and the extremes of climate change. Join us in this eye-opening journey as we listen to the Earth's cries for help and examine our role in restoring the balance. 1. Listening to the whispers of the wild. Nature has always been a silent yet powerful force, subtly signaling the impacts of human behavior on the environment. Like a gentle nudge or a whisper in the wind, these signals are often overlooked until they become impossible to ignore. The recent increase in natural disasters, such as hurricanes and wildfires, seems to be nature's way of getting our attention. These events are not merely random occurrences, they are symptomatic of the broader environmental crisis we face. Just as a tired horse eventually bucks its rider, so too does Earth react to the burden we place upon it. 2. Raging storms. A cry for help. The increase in frequency and intensity of storms over the past few decades is alarming. Hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones have become fiercer, leaving trails of devastation in their wake. Scientists link this to rising global temperatures, which warm the oceans and provide more energy for these storms. The 2020 Atlantic hurricane season, for example, was the most active on record, with 30 named storms. These storms disrupt lives, destroy homes, and cost billions in damages. They are nature's way of highlighting the urgency of addressing climate change and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. 3. Wildfires. Nature's fiery warning. Wildfires are another clear indicator of our environmental mismanagement. Regions like California and Australia have experienced some of the most severe wildfires in history. In 2020 alone, California saw over 4 million acres burned, a stark reminder of the consequences of global warming and deforestation. These fires not only devastate ecosystems but also contribute to air pollution and carbon emissions, creating a vicious cycle. It's as if nature is setting off alarms, urging us to rethink our land use practices and prioritize sustainable forestry. 4. The melting glaciers. A silent scream. Glaciers, often referred to as the planet's water towers, are melting at an unprecedented rate. This phenomenon is a silent scream from nature, highlighting the rapid warming of our planet. The Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world, leading to the loss of ice at an alarming pace. This not only contributes to rising sea levels but also affects global weather patterns. The melting glaciers serve as a stark reminder of the long-term impacts of our carbon footprint, urging us to adopt cleaner energy sources. 5. Vanishing biodiversity. The quiet exodus. Biodiversity loss is another pressing concern, with species disappearing at an estimated 1,000 times the natural extinction rate. This quiet exodus has severe implications for ecosystems and human survival. Every species plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, and their loss disrupts these intricate systems. The destruction of habitats, driven by agriculture, urbanization, and pollution, is a primary cause. It's as if Earth is showing us the fragility of life, urging us to protect and preserve the natural world. 6. Ocean acidification. The invisible threat. As carbon dioxide levels rise, the oceans absorb more of this greenhouse gas, leading to acidification. This change in ocean chemistry poses a significant threat to marine life, particularly coral reefs and shellfish. The Great Barrier Reef, for example, has experienced massive bleaching events due to both warming waters and acidification. This invisible threat disrupts food chains and affects the livelihoods of millions who depend on the sea. Nature is signaling the need for urgent action to reduce carbon emissions and protect marine ecosystems. 7. Floods and droughts. The extremes of water, a vital resource, is increasingly becoming a source of conflict and crisis. Extreme weather patterns have led to both devastating floods and prolonged droughts. Regions like South Asia face severe monsoon floods, displacing millions and causing widespread destruction. Conversely, parts of Africa and the Middle East grapple with droughts, threatening food security and livelihoods. These extremes are nature's way of showing the delicate balance of our water systems and the consequences of climate change. They highlight the need for sustainable water management and conservation efforts. 8. Conclusion. The Earth is indeed striking back, sending us clear messages about the consequences of our actions. From raging storms to melting glaciers, nature is urging us to listen and act. It's a call to rethink our relationship with the planet and prioritize sustainable practices. As stewards of this Earth, it's our responsibility to heed these warnings and work towards a more harmonious coexistence with nature.